check the factory owner's equity. This is very important. Before you pay more money to further checking the sample's quality, or you spend time especially visit the factory, you are suggested to check the factory's owner's equity in advance. This is cheaper, easier, and very useful. Why? For example, can you guess what will happen if Trump and Biden are the president in the same time managing the USA? There must be a lot of conflict, a lot of argument, disasters. Actually, in the factory, it's the same. I see some factories, the owner's equity is like this. They have 3 owners. One owner have 34% equity. The other 2 have 33% equity. So here's the question. Who is the biggest boss?
I am the boss.
I am the boss.
I am the boss.
Who have the most biggest voice in this company? Who will be responsible for the quality issues if it's happen and cost the customer bigger cost?
Kamala.
I have no idea because the owners' equity are most the same. Actually, not only the customer don't know who is the biggest boss in this factory. Also, in the factory, inside, the workers, they don't know either. I have this kind of real stories. I know some factory exactly the same owner equity, and the middle management team is not stable. I guess the top owners, they don't have a stable strategy. They have conflict ideas on how to operate these factories. So the middle managers, it's very hard for them to work. Within 1 year, the quality managers changed for more than 5%. My God. And also for the production line workers, they don't know who is the biggest person. And the managers always change. The requirements, the process always change. All of these kind of things affect the product strategy, affect the production process, affect a lot on the product quality. So that's why I have more than 15 years supply management experience. Before I pay more money to check the factory, to check the product, I always check the factory owner's equity.